guys, I hope you are all very well, and as you've noticed, this lesson is about a song from one of my favorite pro rock bands of all time, Pink Floyd. Wish You Were Here is also the title track of their 1975 album, and many consider the song to be a tribute to Syd Barrett, who was the original guitarist of Pink Floyd. So I'm gonna start breaking down the song into sections, and I will start with the solo. I know that the song doesn't start with the solo, but is my favorite part of the song. Anyway, no worries, I will show you as well all the other parts. So the first lick on the solo is this one. Basically, what we're gonna do is sliding from the second fret of the G string to the 4th fret, and then we add the index finger on the B string 3rd fret, and then we play dun, dun, dun. Then we have this pull off starting from the 4th fret of the G string, so we pull off from the 4th to the 2nd, and then we also pull off from the 2nd to the open string, and then we play the D string open. Then we have this slide starting from the 1st fret of the A string, and we play the D string open twice. And the next lick is this one. Basically, here I'm playing double stops, and for the first slide I'm sliding from the 3rd fret to the 5th fret, then I am sliding back to the 3rd fret, and then here the second slide is using the index on the G string 2nd fret and middle finger on the B string 3rd fret. As you can see, I was doing the same thing, using the same shape. I was moving from the 2nd fret, where my index is, to the 4th fret, and then going back. And I also was using open strings as well. I end my lick with a slide. You can also decide to don't do the slide, but I like to use the slide here on the G string 4th fret and the D string 5th fret. Those two notes are the same as the open B string and G string. The next lick is this one. So basically here I'm kind of doing the same thing I was doing at the beginning of the solo. So I am again sliding from the 2nd fret to the 4th fret. The notes are pretty much the same. Then the only thing I am adding is the bend on the 5th fret of the B string. Basically I am doing this. And then I end in this line on the G string 2nd fret. And then after that I'm gonna bend my G string on the 4th fret. As you can see, a bend, and then I add those two notes afterwards, and then a bend a string again, and I finish on the G string 2nd fret. The last lick is this one. So very similar to the previous one. Basically I'm doing the same thing again, sliding from the 2nd fret of the G string, and then I bend the B string on the 5th fret, and I bend again here the G string on the 4th fret, and the last note I play is on the G string 2nd fret. So let's have a look at the intro now. Basically, you start with an hammer on the A string 2nd fret, hammer on the 2nd fret, pick the D string open, and then go to E minor 7. Then at the end of the bar of E minor 7 we have this. So basically we pick the D string 2nd fret and the G string open. Then we go to G major. At the end of the bar of G major we do very similar to what we did at the beginning, but we start on the E string, so low E string 3rd fret, like that. So here, after E minor, we play this short lick. And we end on A7 sus4. And then we do again. So as you can see, after A7 sus4, we go back to E minor 7, then again A7 sus4, and then we go to G, which is the last chord. The verse is very easy. We have a C major, D over an F sharp, A minor, and G. Then D over an F sharp, C major, A minor, and G. So basically we sound like this. Actually, there is another solo at the end of the song. I'm not gonna show you how to play that, but just to let you know, it's over the E minor pentatonic scale, and sometimes we also have the C sharp, which belongs to the E Dorian scale. So what I would suggest is trying to learn the solo by ear. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe if you are a new viewer. Obviously, don't forget as well to hit the like button. And I will see you very soon. Thank you very much for watching.